So these are my sweet potatoes. I started these potatoes back in mid-May. I started them from slips back in since last year because I had a seedling. I had a sweet potato that was harvested from my previous harvest in 2022 that ended up just sprouting for me while I was curing it. So I decided to use that one as my sweet potato slip developer. So that's what I did. Let's get this baby going. This is my favorite time of the year. Let's get it going. So the ones that are going to be enjoying this foliage will be the chickens. Check them out. They are waiting. They know what's coming. There you go. Really? Go ahead, eat your greens. Don't fight for one leaf. You guys got plenty. All right. Good girls. They're excellent for foliage disposal. All right, let's continue. This out. What? Hold on, the unveiling is coming. Look at the size of this baby. Uh-oh. Wow. This is amazing. Let me continue. See. Oh, this is a good one too. Check it out. Here we go. This is one of the new ones, so whoo-wee. Okay, let me keep my sweet potato to the side. All right, oop, here comes more. Oh wow, yeah, there's a lot in here. Going down. Check it out. Isn't that great? All right, digging, because there's more. Okay, so the biggest problem that I have are these worms here. And I'm a little bit annoyed because if these guys are in here, that means that my potatoes, my sweet potatoes, have been invaded by these guys here. These are wireworms, and what they do is they burrow into your root vegetables. They do on potatoes and my sweet potatoes, and this is the main reason why I do it inside the pots, because in the ground I have way more than in a pot, so that's the problem. Wow. Okay, you see these holes here? Yeah, I think that's my wireworm damage. So once I get these cleaned up, I'll check them very carefully. Just to show you my harvest of my sweet potatoes. These are my sweet potatoes, everyone. It doesn't look like much, but it's plenty for us. I will be taking these inside, rinsing them off, getting all this soil off of them, and actually set them aside because I need to let them cure. The last time I harvested my sweet potatoes, I let them cure in my, what I call my warm room, which is my laundry room, and it has my furnace in there. So that room maintains at least a nice toasty 75 degrees. So that's where I actually put them in to cure. I did that for a couple of weeks. I just leave them in there until I need to use them. I just make sure that I keep them in the little pantry cabinet I have in there because it's dark, and that's just the way that I do it. You can research whichever way you want to do it, okay? But yeah, this is a nice harvest. Like I said before, I've never grown them this big, and this is amazing. It is not a huge harvest, but guess what? It's my harvest. But for me, anything that you can grow and pull out of your own garden is an amazing task and accomplishment. So if you like what you saw today, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And until the next one, let's keep growing.